folks, and welcome to the Hillbilly Kitchen. Today we're going to review some Dollar General brand products. Now, I debated about doing this video for a little while because I really don't like those channels that make a channel out of doing negative reviews. But these Dollar General stores are popping up everywhere. And with the holidays coming, because there's a Dollar General store everywhere, it's very convenient to run into them and grab stuff and maybe save some time. Now, I've shopped at the Dollar General for years, and I'm definitely not anti-Dollar General. But usually, these products, the trash bags and the food storage bags and even the plates, I buy Walmart's brand. They're comparable to national brands. But I was in the Dollar General and they had some deals, so I grabbed them. Now the plates, I got a super deal on them. I bought them a while ago. I think I actually paid like $2.25 for 150 plates. And for that kind of money, I can live with the quality of the plates. But for $4 for 150 plates, it's a little overpriced. They are very, very thin. They'll hold a sandwich and some potato chips or something like that, but you're not really going to put anything wet on these and serve it. I mean, they are so thin and so flimsy that your food will fall off pretty easy. They're not comparable to the Walmart brand, and they are certainly not comparable to the national brand. But for what I paid for these, I wasn't going to complain about it. Well, then I was in there Saturday, and they had the $5 off coupon, off of $25. You spend $25, you save $5. And I hadn't loaded any other coupons really, but I thought, well, I need a lot of stuff. I'll grab it and I'll save that $5. I figured surely to goodness it will be as good as Walmart's brand. They are not. But they all have this guarantee on them. Where is it? Right there. 100% satisfaction guarantee. It has a number to call, and we're going to get to that number here in just a minute. But let me show you just the trash bags. And this is Walmart's trash bag. These are what I have left, so I did have to get them Saturday. And this is the Dollar General one. And it is super thin. You would have to double it, at least double it, to come up with the same thing. That was 2 layers. I have 2 layers of the Walmart. Takes quite a bit more to puncture it. These are much thinner. I mean, you can easily see through 2 layers of the dollar store trash bag. The Walmart one is quite a bit thicker. They don't have a meal posted on them, so I don't know what meal they are, but they are very, very thin. And I'll have to use at least 2 of these to equal one of these, so it wasn't a great deal. The same thing with the food storage bags. If I was going to put cookies or something in these, or cookie dough, how I do the cookie dough at Christmas time, I would have to double these. They're just so thin. They would not keep the food fresh in the refrigerator. I haven't tried to puncture them. Oh yeah, very thin. At least 2 instead of 1 bag. That's not going to save you any money. But what I actually paid for these, the trash bags, there's 50 of them. They were $4.75. I got 76 cents off, so I paid $4 for them. And the food storage bags were $3.75. I got 60 cents off of them, so I paid about $3.15. They're really not worth much. So I called the 800 number. And I talked to a lady named Cecilia. She was very nice. And she gave me 2 reference numbers here. And she said to take my receipt along with the products back to the Dollar General store, and they will give me a refund or a store credit. Now, I spent almost 11 minutes on the phone, I believe. I did screenshot it, and we'll put that picture in the video. It was either 10 or 11 minutes I spent on the phone with her. Then I would have to spend time standing in line in the store to take these back. And it's not very convenient if you have to spend that much time to get your money back. And the guarantee on them isn't worth much if it's going to take you half an hour to get back $3, which, you know, if I had only bought one thing and I called them and wanted to get my money back, I mean, a half hour is certainly worth more than $3. So the guarantee is basically useless, and I'm not going to take these back because by the time I stood in line in the store to get the money back, it wouldn't be worth my time. I'll just have to double them. But, you know, I guarantee you, like I said, that it takes that much time to get your money back. Walmart has the same guarantee on their stuff. And if you don't like something, you take it back to Walmart to the service desk and they give you your money back. Even if you don't have the receipt, you can get your money back. I could not have gotten anything without the receipt. I had to have the receipt when I called customer service. So if you do buy something in there that you're not sure about and you want to take it back, make sure you save your receipt. You have to have it to call customer service, and you can't just take this back to the store. The store told me I couldn't just bring it back. You have to call customer service, spend that time on the phone, get the number, then take it back. So that's not very convenient. It's not going to save you any time, and the products really are not going to save you any money. If you're going to shop at the Dollar General, I would load all the digital coupons, get the name brand products, and use the $5 off coupon. That'll save you some money. Or if you're in a hurry and you want convenience, run to the Walmart and get the Walmart brand. They are much better. So like I said, I debated about the video. I don't want to make a habit out of doing bad reviews. I don't think that's a good policy. But this stuff is not going to save you any money, and it's going to cost you time. Anyway, that being said, I do like the Dollar General. I'm not a fan of Dollar General brand products. But please don't forget to click like and subscribe before you leave. We have lots of holiday recipes coming up. And until next time, remember to put God first.